1. Installing the main harness. Plug the main harness into the main board of the front-end integrated component as shown. 2. Installing the Y-axis left part. Snap the main harness into the holes as shown. Attach the Y-axis left side assembly to the front frame assembly and secure it with M5*12mm and M4*8mm screws, respectively. Three. Install the Y-axis right side assembly. Attach the Y-axis right side assembly to the front frame assembly and fasten it with M5*12mm and M4*8mm screws, respectively. 4. Installing the back-end integration components. Mount the rear integrated parts on the Y-axis left and right assemblies and secure them with M5*12mm and M4*8mm screws, respectively. 5. Installation of support feet. Tighten the support feet clockwise. 6. Install the Y-axis timing belt screws. Loosen but do not remove the screws of the Y-axis timing belt. Raise the idler pulley holder and install the M5*12mm screws. While tightening the screws, keep pressing the timing belt with your fingers. A certain amount of resistance on the belt is sufficient. Tighten the side screws after adjusting the synchronizing belt. Timing belt screws are installed in the same way on both sides. 7. Installing the X-axis integration components. Push both sides of the slide carriage to the bottom and touch the limit screws. Install the X integration components as shown. Use M5*12mm and M3*10mm screws to fix it. The other side is also fixed with M5*12mm and M3*10mm screws. 8. Install the X-axis timing belt screws. Loosen the slave synchronizer wheel. Installation of M3*10mm screws. While tightening the screws, keep pressing the timing belt with your fingers. A certain amount of resistance on the belt is sufficient. After adjusting the synchronizing belt, tighten the driven synchronizing wheel. 9. Installing the optical axis. Push the X-axis to the bottom and touch the limit screw to keep it there. The optical shaft is mounted using two small couplings as shown in the figure. Tighten the screws of the small coupling. Installation of Wi-Fi antennas. Installation of Wi-Fi antennas. 11. Fixed wire harness. Secure the harness with a cable tie. Be careful not to tie into the timing belt. Take care to bundle the harness in an upward position to prevent the harness from rubbing against the Y-axis profile. 12. Plug lines. Plug the Y1 motor cable into the Y-axis motor. Plug the X-axis motor cable into the X-axis motor. Insert X1 into the X-axis limit master plate. Insert Y1 through the Y-axis limit plate as shown. Installation of TF cards. Install the TF card into the position as shown in the picture. Please do not insert the card violently, it is necessary to insert the card.
14. Installation of LU3-20B laser module. Mounting the LU3 to 20B laser module and securing with hand screws.
Wipe the laser line into the L port of the laser-only line of AL3. Secure the laser cable with a cable tie as shown.
Installing the air pump. Installation of the throttle valve to the air duct. Attach the quick coupler to the air pump and connect the air hose. Air hose connection to the laser module. Secure the trachea as shown.
16. Installing the USB cable. 17. Installing the power adapter and power cord.
Connect the 24V6A power adapter to the power cord and plug it into the AL3.
Long press the power button to start the machine. Return to the position that the installation is complete.